Orbital welding joints often present designers with the same recurring challenge: planning piping systems with tight routing, limited installation space and overlapping fittings quickly and efficiently. Smap3D Piping solves and automates the challenge with an intelligent function for adjusting orbital welding fittings. As with any pipeline created in Smap3D Piping, the first step is planning the path along which the pipe will be generated. If overlaps occur with orbital welding fittings, the software detects them automatically. At a glance, you can see where the overlap occurs, its type, and which fittings are affected. Click Adapt to start the adjustment function. The overlap is fixed right away. Adjust the length of one component or modify both. After confirmation, Smap3D Piping executes all required steps fully automatically. The result? Perfectly adjusted orbital welding fittings in your CAD assembly, now ready to be welded efficiently with a single seam.